Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to as. Later that we do first the derivative for the both sides, and you got about a ds. Because first the derivative of s you got about number 1, that's why we have a. We don't have a in here, so we need to divide both sides by a. This one we change by u, ds we change by this one, so we have du over a. Now, we know that side u to the power of 6, I can put into side u square everything to the power of 3. So we have the formula in here. Side u square equals to 1 minus cosine 2u over number 2. Now I will put this one going here. So we have 2 to the power of 3, and we have number 8 in here. So we just have only 1 minus cosine 2u. Next, we need to expand this one. Now we have the formula in here. Cosine 2a equals to cosine 2a plus 1 over number 2. And the next one we have cosine a to the power of 3 in here equals to cosine 3a plus 3 cosine a over number 4. So we need to transform this one and this one into this one and this one. So we will have about cosine 4u plus 1 over number 2. This one we will have about cosine 6u plus 3 cosine 2u over number 4. Because if we transform this one, we can do about the integration of this one, and this one. Now we need to separate them in here. Now we need to simplify. 3 over 2 plus 1, we will have about 5 over 2. This one, negative number 3, negative 3 over 4, we have negative 15 over 4. And now we need to simplify, and we got the final answer. The integration of 5 over 2, you got about 5 over 2u. The integration of cosine 4u, cosine 2u, you got about 1 over 2 sine 2u. The next one we have 1 over 4 sine 4u. And the last one, that's about 1 over 6 sine 6u. and we put about sin here. About u, that is about AS. Now, we need to simplify 15 over 4 multiplied by 1 over 2. We have 15 over 8. Number 2 and number 4, we have 3 over 8. And this is about sine 4AS. Number 6 and number 4, we have 1 over 24 sine of 6AS. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.